censorship is not the worst thing that happened on the planet. Recklessness is. Many of the people who were killed, okay, and I'm not saying yung presidente nyo, gano'n, he was a friend of people. Many of those who were killed became personal. Nagka-personalan. Merong pinuntirya, may pinag-initan, merong mga sinabing mga salitang personal na naapektuhan na yung politiko, yung prison commander, yung general. Kasi hiniya mo na siya, pati yung mga anak niya, hiyang-hiya na. We never think in terms of the consequence of our words. We only think this is the truth and the truth must prevail. Eh, nangyari, na personal ka, pare. Uuwi yung tao, tapos sabihin sa kanya nung anak ng mahal na niya na babae,